Welcome back to the best channel on YouTube. I am your host, Carter, and in today's episode, we are going to be talking about the top 3 day trading apps available on the iOS and Android platforms. Now, before we get started, I need you guys to go and smash that like button. Smash it so hard it will turn blue and it will be awesome. So that's just pretty much jump into it, guys. So we're going to be ranking these from the top of the top, like the best app that I currently use, all the way down to something that is great for beginners and people that kind of just want to get their feet wet with day trading or investing in the stock market. So the very first app that I like and love is Thinkorswim. Now the reason why I like it, I might be a little biased against it, is because this is where my main account is. They have a long, reliable history of, great customer service and everything like that. Any problem that I had with my account, all I would do is call them up and say, hey, and, talk to them. And they were 100% accountable and they helped me through the process. Now, what geared me towards the Thinkorswim platform is the charts. The charts are phenomenal. You can literally customize them for anything you want on the web platform and the mobile platform. It's phenomenal. Now, on top of that, they do have a web-based software and they do have the mobile-based. So I think that's really cool how you can use both. I think as day traders, we are looking for something that's easy to use. But if that's, say, we have to leave our trading station, we can still take some of the stuff with us and we can still execute trades and do our job. So they offer free scanning, free charts, free level 2, and they offer what really geared me towards here when I first started was the free real-time paper trading. Now, a lot of brokers like the Dash Trader platform, they can charge you upwards of $150 per month for real-time paper trading. Now, that's ridiculous, and I don't recommend going to them just for that, because as beginners, we are literally broke. We're just trying to get our feet wet and experiencing it, and we're gonna have to be paying $150 a month. It's ridiculous, guys. It's terrible. So I really wanted something that was free, and all you need really for the free in real time is just have an account with them. And they do offer option trading, forex trading, and stock ETF trading, and they do offer long-term retirement things and everything like that. So it's I would rank that a 5-star. Great app to use. Now, the second app that we're going to be talking about, I made probably 2 videos off this app and you guys seem to love them, and it's the app called Moomoo. So Moomoo is it's a commission-free stock market trading app that offers real-time level 2. It offers great charts and it offers pretty much great scanning and everything like that. It's the dumbed down version of Thinkorswim. It's not too complicated, but it definitely helps you get into that more experience and learn a lot more things as compared to other commission-free apps like Webull and everything like that. So I would rank this one, maybe a 4.5 out of 5 stars, just because I wish they did have a web-based platform. I think that would be very, very cool. And so let's go into the third app. The third app is the one and only Robinhood. So Robinhood offers commission-free trades. This is really for people just getting their feet wet with not even trading but investing, because their charts are kind of subpar. They are really not the best customer service and everything like that. Moomoo, the second one we talked about, I've emailed them and they got back with me in literally maybe 2 or 3 hours. So it's not like really hard. Where Robinhood, you send them an email and you could wait up to 48 hours for a reply. But one thing that's very cool is Robinhood, you can trade stocks, Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies, ETFs, everything like that. And it is mobile and web-based, so it's very, very cool like that. they do offer the margin and the instant thing that they charge for. So it's kind of cool if you guys want to check that out. They do offer pre-market and after hours trading. Same with the Moomoo app there. So if I was going to rank this, I would probably rank this maybe a 3.7 out of 5 stars, just because I think they can do more scanning capability on it. I wish they had more level 2 like Moomoo does and everything like that, guys. So for all these apps, we're going to be putting links down below. So for Moomoo, you guys can get a free app just by signing up. Same with Robinhood, Thinkorswim. I'll see if there's a referral code and I'll call them and see if they can give me one. But all of these apps will be down below, and I highly recommend checking them out, because if that's, say, you just want to have them on like a iPad or like a tablet, and you just want to kind of set it up and have an extra chart up while you're trading, I think it will be 100% worth it. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.